Welcome again to day 3 of our Faith, Finance, and Fitness Challenge. So today we're talking about discovering your strengths, okay? Being able to, at the end of this video, you should be able to identify your skills and passions. Hope you're keeping up with your exercises. Hope you've done your exercise for the day. The challenges I'm trying out for this month, I posted it in the comment section. So you can check it out to know what I'll be doing this month. I'm still going to add a couple of more exercises to it. I just want us to get like in the mood, all right? Like warm up, okay? Today is day 3. Don't forget about discovering your strengths, okay? Like I told you in day 1 and day 2, that you have to identify, know yourself before you can monetize it. Know yourself, know your target market. You have to know your skills before you can monetize. While identifying your skills and passions, you have to move from skill to income, okay? The skill to income formula. We're going to talk about the 4 different steps, all right? The first step is self-discovery, all right? Self-discovery, like I said earlier, identifying your skills and passion. How do you discover this? You have to know what is it that people come to you to talk about. Like, what do people come and ask you for advice for? Right? What are those things that is easy for you to do but is difficult for others? What kind of problem do you naturally enjoy solving that doesn't, like when that problem comes, it is easy for you to navigate your way through it? What have you done successfully, whether it's informal or not, that has brought results and giving you joy, okay? That's brought results, like joyful results. What is that? Those are the questions you ask yourself on the path to self-discovery, okay? That is how, like, I'm someone who doesn't like throwing away the unused part of food. For instance, let's say yam peels. I don't like throwing it away. Yam peels, watermelon bark, stuff like that. Animals can. Goats eat peels of yam, like yam peels. Goats eat it. Cassava peels, potato peels. The goats eat them. So I thought, okay, I could start from 2 goats, 1 female, 1 male. So I just went to that. I bought a male and female goats. Then I thought of the fruits. I'm like, okay, what animal can consume these fruits that I don't like throwing away, like the back of watermelon, the back of pawpaw, stems of water leaf, stems of ugu. What animal can consume? I thought, snails. Snails eat vegetables. So I thought, okay, I can go snail picking, because I normally see snails hanging around like on the walls in my street during raining season. So I went snail picking. I started picking snails and kept them, and I started to give them this food. I hope that explains self-discovery. The second step is identifying value. A skill becomes valuable when it solves a problem. You can have a skill. If that skill is not solving a problem, it has no value. For each skill on your list, the list of skills you need, for each skill, ask yourself, who needs this right now? How does it make someone's life easier, faster, and better? Would they pay for it? If yes, how much? When you ask yourself these questions, you are not just identifying your skills, you are identifying solutions people will pay money for. So the third step is to simplify into a service or a product. Okay, a service. Let's say you like to organize. You are someone that is very organized and you like to help people organize. So anything, you could decide to go into the cleaning business. You could decide to go into the organizing business, maybe be a virtual assistant, okay, or personal assistant to someone, help them organize. That's a service, okay? It could be a digital product. Okay, maybe you fully understood how to use Canva and you're an expert at it, and you feel like, okay, you created a guide, and you created a guide that is in form of a class, and you can decide to sell it as a product online. Okay, that is a digital product. You can sell it as a product online, put it on any of these platforms that helps you to sell. It could be a physical product. Like now, I told you that I don't like throwing away unused parts of food, and I decided, okay, what can I do to get this. So I started to train goats. And in training of goats, my habit of not throwing away unused food made me to start training goats. From training of those goats, I was able to sell those goats for meat. So that is physical product. Okay. You could have other different forms of physical products. Maybe you're someone who is very good at making bags. Okay, you could make bags, make shoes. People who are very good with their hands. Keep it simple. Okay, the goal is to start small, test fast, and grow steadily. The fourth step is to structure for income. Okay, you have to build a structure. For you have to define how your money will flow in. Right? Structure for income. You have to define how your money will flow in. And in doing this, you have to ask yourself these questions. How will people find you? Okay, like where will people find you? How will it be easy for people to find you for that service, for that product? Where do you think your target market is? Your target market, where did they gather? Okay, that's how will people find you. Where do you think these people will find you? Is it on Instagram? Is it on Facebook? Is it on YouTube? Is it on Twitter? Is it on TikTok? Is it in the marketplace, the open market? Is it in the church? You know, wherever, how will people find you? How can you make yourself available for people to find you? How are you going to price it and deliver your offer? Okay, the environment around you. Look at those skills that you have that is going to solve an immediate problem in your current environment. Okay, so when you have identified these skills, you list them out, list like 5 inside that you can monetize immediately. Everything that you have learned and survived can be turned into an income. Your experience can become an income. Okay, the things you've learned can become a stream of income for you. And remove from your mind that a jack of all trades is a master of none. No, you didn't. That's part of that thing. I don't get that way. Okay. Now, thank you for joining me. Thank you for getting to this point of this session. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Drop your comments if you have any questions to ask. I'm always in the comment section. I'm ready to reply. All right. See you tomorrow.